Get their picture.
Story of my life. I was just there on Friday saying,
Remember the book that you saw on the
You're very popular amongst everybody. She's the star.
What's his name? Estrella. Oh my gosh, hi. Oh my gosh. A dog in costume is the best. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
A little shaky. A little
I like
shaky.
mushroom. Thank you.
what is he wearing?
She's a little snail. Yes, she's doing good. She's just like, she doesn't seem very. No, she's fine with her holding there. Yeah, she's pretty good. She's just like worked up. Yeah, she's good. You guys do you have mushroom heads? I wasn't
Yes. But that's a proper mushroom. Oh, and love you.
I'm gonna take a picture of it. Oh my god, this is new.
The snails and the mushrooms.
All right, we should be together. We should hang out together.
Oh, okay. Oh boy.
That's pretty good too. I'm gonna have to get Sammy's attention. Sorry.
Oh, thanks. It's a bird.
Look for half a second, give her a little downtime.
Yeah. Do you want a second?
But you did. Shot of their windmill.
I love it. 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 Thank you. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Oh, the baby. I need a picture of the baby.
Well, I take a picture of your beautiful peacock on it and everything.
Thank you. Oh, my goodness.
Can I take a picture? Can I take a picture?
Wait a minute.
Yeah, of course.
Hold on.
Oh, perfect.
Us three first.
for
Us three
sure.
first. I need the puppy in here.
Hey, baby.
Hello, lover. Awesome. Thank you.
Very good choices.
Very pretty.
So sweet.
Happy Easter. Hi, sweet pea. How you doing, huh? You getting all the things? You're getting all the attentions.
Do you have anything? I have passed. If not, I have
Thing in here. 1 second. There's like a 10 or a 20. I don't care. Just take the 20.
Can I get a picture? Yeah, great.
Well, there's a great outfit.
Cheered me up.
Oh, there's another sweet face up there. Sweeping little chicken.
Hi.
Hello. She almost.
Ale pani ma psa przebranego za ślimaka.
Oh,
Just your mushrooms.
This thing's gonna be an editing nightmare.
Australia's going to be all over the media, I think. This is when I wish we'd had our stickers ready.
Or had a QR code tag.
Well, I sent you the QR code if anybody asked, but have a good day. Look at the price. 你们这今天整个就是模特。可以。
我自己个人的都没拍好的。可以。I want to wait for her to move over. I don't know.
Okay. All right.
I think that would make sense.
Very similar colors. Just a little bit more of a skin. You see the cross over there?
Nice. She's doing pretty good. She's like, there's a lot of people that, you know, her telling she wants to walk instead of be held. Of course. What are those snacks? I know. Oh my goodness. She's having fun. She gets to see everybody. Let's get you in some shade though, little bit.
Yeah, let's go a little bit further and it'll be shady.
I'm going to try to angle this way.
What's its name?
Estrella.
Estrella?
Mm-hmm.
Like star.
Yes, like
Yeah.
star.
So cute. Happy Easter.
Thank
Happy
you
Easter.
too. Everyone loves you. Lucy. Checking everyone out.
Oh my, that's a hat.
That is quite a display.
That is great.
Oh, the quilling and everything. I have to ask her if she made all that herself.
It's beautiful.
Love that.
Thank you. That's amazing. These
Let's get a picture of this lady. Well, I
boater.
She was ensemble here.
And they're mushrooms. The dog is a snail. And they're mushrooms.
I love the blue and white. What a She's okay. She's just kissing everybody. I love her little fascinator. Look at the ground.
Fortune cookie.
Oh, is it a Cappy? That's so cute. We love Cappy.
I did a school project.
They're friends with everyone.
Yeah, Cappies are chill.
Aren't they? They just get along. I would love to adopt a Cappy. They get along with everybody.
Did you know that they eat their own poop? Love it all.
You don't have to clean it up. Who's to judge? We actually do have to do it. Double digestion. I mean, cows kind of double digest this way, so. He's about to kiss you. Oh, yeah.
Takeaway is over there. I wonder if
No, la vez pasada no es ni comparado.
excuse me. Yeah.
Oh no, you need a magic mushroom. This is gorgeous. Look at you guys. Unbelievable. You see the daisies?
It's too much.
Oh, and like, this is like
Sorry.
They have every right to celebrate Easter.
Thank you. Just tell them that you know if they use their phone.
probably go like around the corner here a little bit. Be up here in the square. We are just going crazy sometimes. I can do that. It looks good. Down to right there. Do you want to want us to hang here while you get some photo?
I'm in charge of like one track. Oh, okay. When I saw the shot, okay.
Perfect. So you can just say your first and last name, where you're from, how long you've